So now the next topic is find the missing digits. So how we'll find the missing digits? We will see how we will find the missing digits here. Okay, and we will learn how to find it. In the previous lecture, we have learned to find the whole number, but here some of the digits are absent, so we will learn how to find it over here. Okay, so the first question A1 here as example given is of addition. So all the numbers here we see are missing as on the ones column. We will see the numbers column wise. Okay, in the ones column we can see that the number which is not given plus 2 is equal to 3. So 3 is the sum of two numbers in which one is not given and the second number is 2. So we will see which number plus 2 gives us 3. So in 3, 2 is given, so if we will take out 2 we will get 1. So the next number or the other number which is not given here in the ones column is 1. So 1 plus 2 gives us 3. Now come to the tens column. Here 8 plus 4 is 12. So 12, from 12 we'll write only 2 and we will give 1 to 100 place. So here for 6 plus 1 is 7 and the other number is not given. So the sum of these two number is 0. 0 can't be there. There must be 10. So the sum of these two numbers is 10. So 7 is given and the other number is not given. 0 is given again. So here 0 we will mark 0 as 10. So here we will see that 10 minus 7 gives us 3. So here the number on the 100 place will be 3. Okay, so here 1 was there and there's no number given. So here 1 is the carry. So 1 plus dash plus 6 is equal to 2. So 2 is the smaller number and here we can't write the smaller number. So here must be 12. Okay, let me erase this all, clear the screen. So here must be 12 on the 1000 place. Answer. So to find 12, 1 is the carry and 6 is given. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 12 minus 7 gives us how much? Tell me. 7 minus 12 gives us 5. So what we will write here? On the place of 1000 we will write 5. Okay, so 5 plus 1 as carry 6 and 6 here gives us 12. Again 1 is carry on the 10,000 place, 1 here and 5 is given here. So 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 and plus here something is not given, so that plus 6 gives us 9. So 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So here on the vacant place of 10,000 we will write 3. So here like this we will find out the numbers. Next, the next thing is given in subtraction. So the next missing digits we have to find is given in subtraction form. So here we will see that in ones column the minuend is absent. So what we will do, we will add the digits in the ones column. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So what we will do, we will write here 2. What we will do, we will write here 2. 2 when takes one carry from 4, it becomes as 12. As we know, as we do in our calculation, borrow calculation. So on the place of minuend, in ones place we will write 2. Now in tens place, 4 is there and 2 is there. So here from 4 1 is taken, so it becomes as 3. So 3 minus 1 gives us 2. 3 minus 1 gives us 2 as answer. Okay, so here 2 is written. So from what number we will minus 4 to get 8. So let us add 4 and 8 as we have learned in the previous video. Okay, so we will add 4 plus 8. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Again here is 12. 2, 1 is taken carry from the 7. So 7 has given 1, so it has become 6. 6 minus what gives us 3? 6 minus 3 gives us 3. So here the answer is 3. Okay. So this is the way how we will find the missing numbers. Okay. In the same way you can do it in your book also. Now next topic and the last topic of this chapter is estimating the difference. You know how to round off the numbers. By rounding off the numbers we can estimate their difference. So we have came to know in the previous chapter only how we can round off the numbers. So by rounding off the numbers we can also estimate their difference. Estimate the difference of, in the first example 9, it is given that estimate the difference of 4566 and 7899 by rounding off each number to the nearest thousand and also find the actual difference. So here we have to find both the difference, actual difference and the estimated difference. So let's see what is the actual difference. So 7899 minus 4566 gives us 3333. So let's see what's the estimation. Here 7899 becomes as 8000 when we round it off. 4566 becomes as 5000 when we round it off. So when we subtract both of them we get 3000, which is close to 3333. So our estimation is correct. Now let's see example 10th. Estimate the difference of 23,698 and 12,365 by rounding off each number to the nearest thousand and also find the actual difference. So let's see what's the actual difference is. 23,698 when subtracts 12,365, it gives us 11,333. But when we will see the estimation of 23,698, so 23,000 becomes as 24,000 as the estimation. 12,365 becomes as 12,000 only after estimation. So when we will subtract 24,000 from 24,000, when we subtract 12,000 from 24,000, we get 12,000. So the actual difference is far away from 12,000. So our estimated difference is not close to the actual difference. So this way we can find the estimated difference of the given numbers. That's all for today's video, and this is the end of your chapter number 3. I hope you all have got the things. Thank you all.